Hello everybody, I hope everybody's feeling good today, because today we're going to be learning how to reuse and recycle our old candles. This is so simple and so easy to do. Making our own candles and reusing them is such a brilliant idea, as we're able to customise our candles to our own particular colour, shape or size we want. All the half bits of candle you have sitting in the back of your cupboard can be reused and remade into beautiful new fresh candles. You can create the most perfect gifts for friends and family, update your own candle collection around the house, or you might just be looking to find a new hobby or skill. Whatever it is, we're here to help you get started. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.